Hello, today is Tuesday, January 27th, 2026. I see a slight change of the layout of my profile on Facebook. I graduated from Seoul High in 1986, February 1986. And then I entered the Jeonnam National University and studied mechanical engineering. Then later on, after 2 years in the college, I joined the U.S. Army, the Katusa soldier. I was the ROK, Republic of Korea soldier, but was assigned to the 8th U.S. Army. My unit was the 516th Personnel Service Company of 8th PERSCOM. I was stationed at Camp Henry down in Daegu. There's about 3 hours by drive south east of Seoul. By fast train, maybe 1 hour. As with other days, let's learn something about something, right? This article is about Elon Musk, and it appeared on Yahoo Finance. Benzinga, I think the Benzinga is the kind of magazine. Elon Musk says, by the way, let's learn English by reading this article, right? We practice English reading interesting articles every day. Elon Musk says Tesla could start selling humanoid robots next year. Gene Munster calls it a slight positive for this reason. Okay. So I think Gene Munster is also a famous analyst. On Thursday, Elon Musk gave wide-ranging remarks that included new timelines for Tesla Inc., humanoid robot, and full self-driving software. Musk teases Optimus sales timeline at Davos. Optimus, right? Optimus. Making a surprise debut at the World Economic Forum in Davos, Musk said Tesla could begin selling its humanoid robot, Optimus, probably sometime next year. Musk has been talking about Optimus since 2021 and has repeatedly framed the robot as a product that could eventually reshape the global economy. Covenant. Don't miss. Missed NVIDIA and Tesla? Red Intel could be the next AI powerhouse, just $0.85 a share. Sam Altman says AI will transform the economy. This platform lets investors back private tech early. Okay, so I will buy Red Intel soon after this article. Despite the whole bold claims, reports suggest Tesla is still working through technical hurdles, including challenges related to Optimus hands. On the other hand, China's Unitary Robotics shipped over 5,500 full-body humanoid robots in 2025, far surpassing U.S. competitors like Tesla, Figure AI, and Agility Robotics, which each shipped about 150 units, reported the South China Morning Post earlier this week. According to Counterpoint Research in 2025, approximately 16,000 more humanoid robots were deployed globally, with China responsible for over 80% of these installations. Wow, that's amazing. FSD approval hints lift near-term optimism. Musk also said Tesla hopes to receive regulatory approval as early as next month. Wow, to deploy its driver-supervised full self-driving system in Europe, with China potentially following on a similar timeline. We hope to get supervised full self-driving FSD, right? Full self-driving approval in Europe, hopefully next month. And then maybe a similar timing for China, Musk said. Elon Musk's full appearance at the World Economic Forum, tendering, if there was a new fund backed by Jeff Bezos offering a 7 to 9% target yield with monthly dividends, would you invest in it? Yes. Monthly dividends, that's a lot. How investors and tech leaders reacted. Deepwater Asset Management's managing partner Gene Munster. So Gene Munster is from Deepwater Asset Management, right? Asset Management managing partner. Gene Munster said the market reaction reflected cautious optimism rather than exuberance. In a post on X, Munster called Musk's comments slightly positive, noting that even limited Optimus sales would represent meaningful progress. Elon just spoke for 30 minutes at the World Economic TSLA, moved up 1% on his comments and is up 1.5%, Nasdaq up 1%. Optimus. Probably sometime next year, we will be selling humanoid robots to the public. My take, slight positive because it confirms things moving forward last year. Tesla shares rose more than 4% during Thursday's regular session, outpacing the Nasdaq's gains, according to Benzinga Pro. In after-hours trading, Tesla shares are up 0.25%. After-hours trading, right? That's a good expression too. In after-hours trading. However, not all reactions were serious. When Musk suggested it would be a no-brainer to build solar-powered AI data centers in space, Reddit Inc., NYSE RDDT co-founder Alexis Ohanian responded on X with a quip. Data centers in space, you say? Yeah, I'm from KT, right? KT, Korea Telecom, the number one company in Korea. We provide all sorts of telecom services, mobile fixed line, AI, cloud service, voice needs, IoT, satellite, submarine cables, and everything, and data centers. We build data centers for you. Whenever you have need for data center, AI, or internet high-speed, high-bandwidth connection, professional connection, you need to come see our office, right? I'm here to provide our excellent, fantastic services to you. Tesla is scheduled to report fourth quarter results and host its earnings call on Wednesday, January 28th at 5:30 p.m. ET, covering the company's financial performance for the quarter ended in December. So that's 2 days from now, right? It will host its earnings call on Wednesday, January 28th at 5:30 p.m. At 5:30 p.m., right? Read next. Okay, so that's it. Up next, transform your trading with Benzinga Edge's one-of-a-kind market trade ideas and tools. Click now to access unique insights that can set you ahead in today's competitive market. Get the latest stock analysis from Benzinga. This article, Elon Musk says Tesla could start selling humanoid robots next year. Gene Munster calls it a slight positive for this reason. Originally appeared on Benzinga.com, right? Benzinga.com. Well, this is a rather short article, but Elon is going to roll out its first humanoid robot called Optimus next year, right? Not this year. It has some problem with finger handling, right? With the finger movements of the robot Optimus. Yeah, don't extend the middle finger, right? Another idiom is flipping off, right? Optimus. Elon is of my age. We are good friends. I officially asked Elon to visit Seoul so that we could sit down and talk about Optimus and exchange our ideas about the future so that he could be richer more, much richer, and I could get more ideas from him. If he asks me to come to his company, no problem. I have the money to buy tickets to visit his office in California or in Texas or even in New York, no problem. All expenses will be covered by myself. Elon, if you are listening to this article, please contact me. I would be happy to communicate with you. Don't worry, I'm a very friendly person. Well, that's it. I was just babbling on. Thanks for listening. But before I go, I would like to go over what I try to remember. In after hours trading, and host its earnings call, right? Host its earnings call. So two expressions. Tesla will host its earnings call on Wednesday, January 8th, right? Tesla is scheduled to host its earnings call on Wednesday, January 28th at 5:30 p.m. In after hours trading, well, that's it. Thanks for listening. Have a great Monday.